In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore a deleted workspace in Smartsheet. Losing a workspace can feel scary, especially if it contains important sheets, reports, or dashboards your team relies on. The good news is that if it was recently deleted, Smartsheet gives you a way to bring it back. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the exact steps to restore that workspace using the deleted items area. First, make sure you're logged into your Smartsheet account and are on the main screen. At the left-hand side of the interface, you'll see the navigation panel. Look for the option labeled Browse. Go ahead and click on Browse. This takes you to a view where you can see your workspaces, sheets, and other content organized in a more structured way. Once you're in the Browse section, keep your eye on the left panel. There, you should see an option called Deleted Items. This is essentially Smartsheet's recycle bin for content you've removed, including workspaces, as long as they're still within the retention period defined for your account. Click on Deleted Items to open it. Now you'll see a list of items that have been deleted. This list can include individual sheets, reports, dashboards, and whole workspaces. Take a moment to locate the workspace you want to restore. You can usually recognize it by its name and the workspace icon. If you have a lot of deleted content, it can help to sort or scroll carefully so you don't miss it. Once you've found the correct workspace in the deleted items list, select it. You can do this by clicking directly on the item so it's highlighted. Make sure you've chosen the right workspace, because the next steps will apply to whatever you have selected. With the workspace selected, look for the Actions option, usually found toward the top or as part of a menu related to your selection. Click on Actions to open the drop-down menu of available options for that deleted item. From the Actions menu, choose Undelete. This is the command that tells Smartsheet to restore the workspace and its content.